Hello everyone, today, after a short break, I have compiled for you a selection of the 5 best hotels in the world. Happy viewing.
5. Best Classic Hotel, Dukes London, England. The restored historic Dukes Hotel is located in the Mayfair district of Westminster. The most interesting museums, palaces and brand shops are very close. The Dukes Hotel is an English classic with modern comforts. But the marble bath here is made in the Italian style. Duke's Restaurant Bar serves classic British cuisine and the finest martinis. The local chef has been awarded a Michelin star. The hotel also has a cigar garden where you can smoke a cigar and drink brandy. If you want to immerse yourself in English history, eat toast and oatmeal for breakfast and drink tea in the living room with a fireplace, then Dukes London is at your service. 4. Best Resort Complex, Maria Resort Spa, Russia. The hotel has a private beach just 5 minutes away. The Maria Resort Spa has 9 bars and restaurants and a nightclub. Lovers of water treatments will love the indoor and outdoor pools, spa center, sauna, hammam and jacuzzi. Here you can play tennis, squash or bowling. The hotel has a free cinema. In Maria Resort Spa you can not only relax, but also take care of your health. Specialists and doctors individually select balneological, medical or cosmetic procedures for everyone. The complex is equipped with all the necessary equipment for diagnostics and treatment. And the rich buffet and friendly staff are especially good at the hotel. 3. Best Design Hotel, Armani Hotel Dubai, UAE. The unique design of the hotel was developed by the famous fashion designer Giorgio Armani. Rooms occupy 11 floors of a skyscraper in the heart of Dubai. The famous Dubai Mall can be accessed directly from the hotel's elevator. The windows offer panoramic views of the city and singing fountains. In addition to local cuisine, the hotel's restaurant offers signature Japanese dishes. There is also a restaurant on the 125th floor in the building, the view from which will impress anyone. Armani Hotel Dubai will suit lovers of luxury shopping, metropolitan life and geometry in interiors. 2. The most romantic resort in the world, Burj, Maldives, Maldives. This is the 5th time the hotel has received this title. The main difference between Burj Maldives is that it is for adults only. Children under 8 years old are not accepted here, because this place is created for relaxation in silence. It has private pools, a spa and everything for water sports and snorkeling. You can settle in a villa on the beach among the palm trees or in the water on stilts. The selection of delicacies is especially wide at Burj Maldives. Throw in impeccable service and bushy rain showers for heaven on earth. Another important plus, the road to the airport will take only half an hour. 1. Leading Hotel, the Oberoi Uday Villas, India. Oberoi is located in Udaipur, a former Maharaja hunting area. Stunning views of the Green Garden and Lake Pichola are visible from everywhere. The hotel itself is like a castle, where visitors compare it to an Indian fairy tale. Oberoi's antique interiors are combined with technical innovations such as plasma TVs and electronic safes. For entertainment, the hotel offers yoga classes, folk dances of Rajasthan and workshops in local cuisine. An indelible impression is left by walks on the lake on a wooden skicker boat. Thank you all for watching. Likes and comments motivate me to make more content for you.